a far-off place where a hero's welcome would be waiting for me, where the crowds will cheer when they see my face, and a voice keeps saying, this is where I'm meant to be. I'll be there someday. If I can go the distance, I will find my way. If I can be strong, I know every mile will be worth my while. When I go the distance, I'll be right where I belong. Down an unknown road to embrace my fate. Though that road may wander, it will lead me to you. And 1,000 years would be worth the wait. It might take a lifetime, but somehow I'll see it through. And I won't look back, 'cause I can go the distance, and I'll stay on track. No, I won't accept defeat. It's an uphill slow, but I won't lose hope till I go the distance, and my journey is complete. Oh yeah. But to look beyond the glory is the hardest part. For a hero's strength is measured by his heart. Like a shooting star, I can go the distance. I will search this world, and I will face it all. I don't care how far, 'cause I can go the distance till I find my heroes will come waiting in your arms. I will search this world, and I will face its harms until I find my heroes welcome waiting in your arms. Go the distance. Thank you.